These are the beauty products every glam girl should own, and I kept it as affordable as possible without compromising the quality. Some light skincare. I like to use something that has SPF 30 in it. A really good primer like this Grippy serum from Maybelline that has niacinamide. This serum spreads so easy, but once it dries, gives you that grip formula. A brow gel. I love to use this one from L'Oreal because it holds the brows for 24 hours without any caking. Eyebrow mascara or an eye mousse. Underline the eye to create that fluffy brow 2025 look. And I'm just creating hair strokes to fill in my brow. I try to make it look as natural as possible, and it does not have to be perfect because we're going to clean this up. I like to choose a really good concealer, and the ones from Tarte, they're really good. They usually have lots of drops in price throughout the year, so you should be able to snag a good deal. You're just going to go right underneath your brows to clean it up, and you're also going to drag that concealer down on your lid because it's also going to be a part of our eyeshadow. Whatever pressed powder you're using, particularly a translucent one, hit the area where you put the concealer. This is just going to mat it down and also help with any creasing. The same brush I was using earlier, I'm just going to take that and swipe the top of the brow area so that it just looks really clean. The 30-Hour Lumi-Matt Superstay from Maybelline is a beautiful foundation, and once this foundation dries down, it gives you this beautiful Lumi full coverage matted look. Now get your contour stick. Maybelline has these awesome lifter sticks. It can contour, cover, and conceal with them. But for now, we're just going to use our contour stick. I'm going to do the contour first, and I will tell you why. I'm going to take some of the contour and drag that into our eyeshadow area to kind of create a base. I'm also going to use a lighter contour. Very simple, but the contrast is beautiful. The reason why I don't want to do concealer yet, and I just want to go in first with the contour, is because I like to hit this area with a neutral looking eyeshadow on top of our contour stick. As long as you have a neutral brown shade in there, you can use that. Because I have false lashes on, I don't want to be closing my eyes with the concealer underneath here, because then what's going to happen is the concealer is going to hit my eyelashes, and then I'm going to have another issue I got to clean up. So that's why I say let's wait to put on the concealer. I'm going to use the newest concealer from Tarte. This is a full coverage concealer. I'm just going to use my new brush from Tarte because I just like how quickly this blends. So now I'm going to blend the contour, and just make sure you don't have any sharp lines and that you blend that into like the hairline area. Mostly you want to make sure that that contour is underneath the cheeks, and then you got that nice sculpted look. Next, we're going to need a pink liquid blush, and I'm just going to pull that from my DIBS stick, where I also use the contour for my eyeshadow. It's just stay in place and kind of blend it up. Now we got all the liquids. We're going to go in with a finishing powder, and I'm going to use this one from Carslan to give you this beautiful blurring effect. I pulled out this Adriana Nicole's blush palette. I even took some off of the brush, and it's still popping like that. Like, liquid eyeliners are my favorite because you can usually always count on them to be waterproof. Tight line, a little wing. It just glides so easy. I'm gonna come down here a little further and stretch out my waterline. You can stop right here, or you can get a mascara and continue to follow me. Let's bring back the hair that's underneath here. You can see for itself that the mascara already created a line for you, which is why I really didn't want to go underneath it with a liner. Okay, we're almost done. I'm gonna take the Buttermilk highlighter in the shade Glaze It Butter. I'm gonna put right on the tip of my nose. Just want to have a little bit of fun, so I'm gonna put it on my cheeks as well. The second shade, Brighten Butter, out between my eyes. Let's go ahead and get a setting spray. I'm using this one from Your Skincare. They're talcum paraben free, and I'm going to stretch this because this one really squirts very powerfully. Now you're just going to need a neutral shade for your lips. I'm going to use a Cheeky Vinyl Ink from Maybelline. I don't think I've ever used this shade with the burgundy color, but I'm just feeling like it's going to be good. Now this is a really beautiful shade if you want something that's not too poppy, but it's a neutral shade that kind of goes with anything. This is our final look for today. Let me know if you tried any of these must-have products down in the comment section. See you guys soon. Bye.